Right, this is a little Blackspur padlock. Here's the key for that. It's locked. It's a homemade tension wrench with some shrink tubing on the end, made from a wiper blade insert. I'm doing this left-handed because I haven't got a right arm at the moment. This is one of my first homemade picks. It's a little screwdriver. It's like a little saw rake. See that there? So I'm going to try and pick this left-handed. Just rest my right arm on the bottom of the tension wrench. Here goes. And it's open. There you go. Not bad, I think, for a left-handed attempt. Thanks for watching.